So let's see how to osculate 4752993 in this example. So we want to check the divisibility of this number by 7. So the first step for us is to find the ekadika with which we can do the osculation. So we can obtain the ekadika by finding the number which when multiplied by 7 gives us a number ending in 9. So we know that 7 multiplied by 7 gives 49. So we take the 4 in the 49, add 1 to it, that gives 5. So 5 is the number with which we are going to perform the osculation. So the first step here is to take the 3 in the unit digit, multiply that by 5, and then add the 9. So 3 into 5 plus 9 gives 24, and we write the 24 below the 9 as the first intermediate result. So the second step, we take the 4 in the 24 and multiply that by 5, which gives 20. We can then add the 2 and the 9 to give 31. So we write 31 below the second 9 on the original number. We are now ready to move to the next step. So we continue the same logic that we applied before. So we take the 1 in the 31, multiply that by 5, which gives 5. We can then add the 3 and the 2, which gives 10. So we write the 10 below the 2. So in the next step, we take the 0 and then multiply that by 5, which is a 0, and we can then add the 1 and the 5, giving 6. So we write the 6 below the 5, and we are 2 steps away from completing the whole osculation process. So in the next step, we don't have a carry here, so we take the 6, we multiply 6 by 5, giving 30. We can then add the 7 to 30, giving 37. So in the last step, we take 7, we multiply 7 by 5, giving 35, and we add the 3 and the 4 to 35, giving 42. If you see below, we got all the results captured at each and every step. So the final result that we have got here is 42. We know that 42 divided by 7 gives a remainder of 0. So since we have a remainder of 0 at the last result, we can conclude that the number 4752993 is divisible by 7.